thing is they actually have very, very few powers, if any. So the first thing you do, you send them a removal of implied rights of access. So you send them a document you can download off the website, which removes their implied rights of access. Now, what you're doing, you're removing that common law right from the bailiff to be on your property, which means that as soon as he sets foot on your property, then he's committing a trespass, which you can then sue him for. So you make that very clear to him. You can then put that notice on the door or on a window so that it's visible when they actually come onto your property. That's the first thing you do. It's a good idea that everything you do, if they actually turn up at your property, the first thing you do, ideally if you've got a front and back door, you'd go out the back door, lock it behind you, okay, and then go round to the front and meet the bailiff. Make sure you have a camera at all times and view everything. Notepads are great. If you have a notepad and a pen as well, if there's two of you, one with a notepad and a pen, another with a camera, it automatically you're watching them. They realise they're being challenged, and that they can't push you about if you're recording everything, and you're well within your rights to do this. The other thing you ask them with the bailiffs, you always ask them, can I see a signed warrant from the court? Now it has to be signed by an actual judge, not signed by anyone else. It is very unlikely they will have this unless they have this and give it to you to read, and you can then read it through and take notes. But you can then say, right, I then want to contact the court and actually ensure that this person that signed it is in fact who they say it is. Otherwise you're here under false pretenses and this is fraudulent. Very often, it's very rare that they actually have anything signed by a judge.